how to release the Betplay bonus in your account, or if you have the bonus and if you get the bonus on your Betplay, how you can simply release it from your account. Now, so it gives you thrilling rewards and unwanted entertainment. Find the bonus that appeals to you. You can choose from various casino bonuses to find something that match your preferences. Now, read over the relevant review pages for a moment. From this, you will get or gain essential knowledge and understanding of the bonus, adding your decision making. Now, the third main thing is remember every time. Remember to read the bonus letters and conditions. Is it entity? Ensure you know any applicable varying or requirements, deadline, or other special conditions on your account. Go ahead and calm the bonus once you have done and thus understood your decision. It's time to play to add advantages and improve your gaming on your account. So this is how you can simply do it. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel.